Okay, moving on to the next piece, the Seagull in G. As you can understand from the title of the piece, this piece is moving in G major scale. I only have the ascending version basically for my right hand. So again, the first thing I do is to explore the G major scale for my right hand. Start on the treble G and make sure that you move inside the black key so that my fourth finger goes to the F sharp. Let's try that one more time. Same fingers that you used in C major. 1, 2, 3. 1, and I'm inside the black keys. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. After you feel confident with the G major ascending scale for the right hand, you should practice again only the rhythm separate and then put your right hand on the piano. As you can see, I have common time again, which stands for 4/4, as we said before. That means we have 4 counts per measure. Again, I'm full of eighth notes and dotted quarters. That means I'm going to subdivide once again my beat in 2 parts. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. So I'm going to start. I'm going to tap my right hand on my right leg and I'm going to count aloud. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Breathe. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, repeat the same step as many times as you need, and only when you feel confident that you have cleared out your rhythm, only then you go and you try right hand on the piano. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You see how much inside I'm going? I'm starting on the white keys right here on the edge of the keys, and then as I turn my thumb for the last measure, I'm moving in until my fourth finger gets really close to the black keys here, to the end of the piano. I will do that one more time with counting. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Breathe. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now I'm going to do the same thing, counting as saying finger numbers. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, the last way of practicing by saying our notes. G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D, E, D. Breathe. G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Again, as you can notice, the expressive markings on my page, I start with a piano dynamic soft. I open up my sound and I end on a mezzo forte. I go back to G again with piano. I open up, and this time I'm going all the way to a forte sound. I know, again, it's not very effective on my poor keyboard right here. Going to my left hand, again, I'm using the tonic, the subdominant, and the dominant in G major. So I'm using G, C, and D. Again, 2 ways of practicing, saying the name of the notes or saying the degree name of the note. G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, G. Another way of practicing by saying degree names. Tonic, 2, 3, 4, subdominant, dominant, and tonic, 2, 3, 4, subdominant, dominant, tonic. After I have perfected 2 hands alone, 2 hands separate. I'm going to start with hands together on the piano on a slow tempo. Again, find your positions, align your belly button to middle D. My right hand starts on treble G and my left hand starts on bass C, which is 2 octaves lower than my middle C. So you should have a whole and a half octave between your hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Open your sound. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to piano. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time without singing. Okay, repeat as many times as you need. Good job, everyone, and I'm going to continue with a new tutorial for the next page.